All right, I'm just checking if we are live or not. Okay, looks like we are live. Give me a minute. Let me share the slides. All right, so let's get started. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to yet another session of AI Horizons, turning intelligence into impact, powered by Aeologic Technologies. I am Jubin, and I'll be your moderator for today's webinar. Across the last 10 episodes, we have explored how AI is transforming the modern enterprises from SQL automation to RAG pipelines to voice agents, governance systems, computer vision, smart automation, and more. But today, we are stepping into a domain that impacts every organization, every team, and every leader. A domain that shapes how grow, scale, and hire right companies. So, our topic of today is the future of HR, AI powered resume ranking and shortlisting. Hiring today is harder than ever. A single job can attract around 100, 300, sometimes even 1,000 plus resumes. HR teams are under high pressure to shift through huge volumes of profiles and do it quickly, accurately, and without missing great candidates. And that's where AI steps in. To decode this transformation, we have with us someone who lives in the hiring challenge every day. Please join me in welcoming Ankit, head of HR Aeologic Technologies. Ankit has led recruitment cycles across multiple departments, scaled teams rapidly for enterprise projects, and has experience with operational challenges of resume screening, matching skills, and identifying the right candidates efficiently. He was also the first to raise this question: can we use AI to automate resume screening? Which eventually led to the system which we'll showcase in our today's demo. Ankit, great to have you with us.
Thank you, Jabin, for the warm introduction. Hello, everyone. Really excited to be here. And a big thank you to our live audience as well for joining this live session despite their busy schedules. We truly appreciate your time and presence. So, Jubin, resume shortlisting is one of the most time-consuming part of hiring. And when the number of applicants increases, the challenges multiplies. Also, time pressure forces the risk of overlooking the good candidates. So, handling multiple open positions simultaneously increases the mental load of our HR teams. So here AI has genuinely helped us simplify and speed up this process. Looking forward to sharing our experience with the AI-based resume ranking system with you.
Great, great. So Ankit has already, given the quick introduction of our today's session, right? So let's start with some basic question, right? Let's talk about the pain of HR, right? What does resume screening actually look like behind the screens of an HR?
Absolutely. The challenges are very real. If I talk about manual screening processes by HR, so HR quickly scans the resumes. It takes approximately 10 to 20 seconds per resume. So here we check for relevant experience on different mandatory tech stacks. We have to check the stability of the candidate. We check candidates' career stability. We review any frequent job changes to understand the reason behind them. We have to check the roles and responsibilities in the project, tech stack, education, certifications if it's critical. Also, we have to check the red flags among those candidates who have been sourced, where the career gaps, inconsistencies, we have to look forward for that as well. So let me brief the challenges in few pointers, Javin. So the one is volume overload, where we have a single JD and in that we bring mostly 100, 300 resumes in just a few days. And here time constraint is there where the HR team need to quickly identify the top 10, 15 candidates, often
Right.
within hours, not the days. And here the skill matching is hard because the resumes are written in different formats, different styles, and skills are not always clearly mentioned. So this also caused the human fatigue, and this is the main challenge where after reading 45, 40 to 50 resumes, naturally drop. So this also leading to miss the candidates, the relevant candidates. And the last point is inconsistency, where many times we have seen that two recruiters might judge the same resume differently, right? So these are where this AI can help us massively.
Right, right, definitely. So, when did this conversation shift from, this is painful to maybe AI can help us do this better?
Well, it started with a simple observation, Zubin. Most resumes we are getting the attention they deserve. We realized we needed a system that could understand the job description, that can understand every resume, and which can match the skill sets like we do manually, and also give us prioritize the shortlisted profiles. So we reach out to the tech team and requested them to build search tools for us who will help my recruiters to cut down the resume screening time. So we discuss our challenges with them and ask them that can we automate this? And that's how this AI resume ranking system was born.
Great, great, great. So, move on to the next question, right? Let's simplify it for everyone. What is the AI really doing here?
Uh, this AI pipeline works like this. It understands the requirement by reviewing the job description. It extracts the required skills, responsibilities, experience labels, and keyword. Then it passed the resumes. It read every resume like every recruiter do. Skills, tools, projects, experience, domain, certifications which has been required. So it checks those from the resumes. It gives the scoring based on the skills matching. It calculates the numeric match percentage between JD and candidate. And after that, it gives the ranking. It sort all the resumes from highest to the lowest match. And the main feature is explainability, where it also explains that why a resume is match or is mismatch. So HR gets a clear objective shortlist instantly.
Got it, got it. So, before we show the demo to our viewers, right, what changed in your day-to-day workflow after using this software with AI?
Honestly, Jubin, it's lots of changes we have seen. Shortlisting time drop from hours to minutes. Now, my recruiters, they are not taking too much of time on shortlisting. They devote their time on reaching out the candidates directly. We got consistent unbiased scoring on the resumes which has been sourced. Mainly the hidden gems, which we call candidate we might have missed, now seen, because the company doesn't want to lose the deserving candidate
Right.
here. So, and decision making also becomes much faster here. Quality of candidates improved with us internally. So I would say that AI didn't replace the HR, but yes, it gave HR a superpower to convert the hard work into the smart work.
Definitely. And time and again, in this webinar series which we have had, uh, we have always seen that AI is complementing the human resource and it's not replacing it, right? So it is
Correct.
definitely helping, can be used as a helping hand, which creates efficiency and transforms definitely. Now let's move on to the session or the part of the webinar which is very exciting for everyone. Let's show our viewers some demo of the quick AI powered resume scanning that we share with that we made. So I'll give the screen to you, Ankit, so that you can show the software in action.
Sure, Jubin. Let me share my screen and show the audience that how this AI tool works and how we are
Right.
using it.
Awesome. So let's do that.
Let me know, Jubin, if my screen is shared here.
Yeah, yeah. Screen is visible.
Okay, so this is the AI tool looks like.
Mm-hmm.
So I have prepared a small demo here. I cannot show it on a very, it's a very short webinar. So I'll quickly cover this.
Yeah.
So here, this is a AI tool, and here we have to upload the job description along with the resumes we have received from the different sources.
Mm-hmm.
Like we do the job posting, we do mass mailings, and we receive multiple resumes overnight. So once we upload, it takes about 10 to 15 seconds to evaluate all the resumes. Sometimes it takes much time because it depends on how many resumes we are uploading here on
Right.
this tool. So based on the criteria we have set here, so based on that, it gives us the top match score. It gives us the shortlisted candidate, that how many candidates have been shortlisted.
Mm-hmm.
Then we move and we call those candidates for the shortlisting purpose. So this tool is just for the screening. Manually, we have to do the shortlisting the candidates one by one. So let me
Got
give
it.
a small demo here.
Yeah, yeah,
So
sure.
this is a window where the job description is here on the left side, and
Mm-hmm.
there's a room of candidate resumes where we have to drag and drop multiple resumes. So let me quickly give you a job description here.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So let's say this is a Flutter mobile app developer. This resume I have, and I have given this tool the set of mandatory key skills that what we are looking for in the candidate. And
Right.
the resumes which I have received, let's say that these are the resumes which I have received through different sources. I
Mm-hmm.
have uploaded here, right?
Yeah.
Just we have to run the evaluation, and based on the algorithm, based on its own learning of this tool, it analyze the job description and it evaluate all the resumes in 10-15 seconds. So now it's
Mm-hmm.
analyzing the resumes.
Right. So AI is doing its magic.
It takes time. It takes time. So
Right.
we are taking, 20 seconds. Sometimes it takes 1 minute of time to, to screen every resumes.
Right.
So some resumes, they are 2-page resumes. Some have multiple pages. So yes, AI will take some time to go through all. So see here the ranking comes, the
Mm.
match score. So here the first resume which was uploaded, it's 90% match based on the job
Mm.
description we have given this tool. And
Right.
the second 80% base 60, and the fourth one is not matched.
Mm.
Right. So maybe why this person is not matched, because we are looking for the developer. Maybe this person has mentioned that he's a team lead or he did some internship only. He doesn't have a, real-time experience, corporate
Right.
experience. So this tool
Right.
basically look those criterias, and it give us. So now here, my recruiter, they realize that they have to only call two candidates
Mm.
on a priority basis, right? And the third priority will be the 60%. So here we
Right.
have given that if someone who have 60% match the JD, because we cannot get candidate 100% match, right?
Right.
So based on that, this tool has shortlisted two profiles. So this is how this tool works, Juven.
Great. Thank you for that explanation. And let me give the viewers a bit more on the technical side, right? So, Ankit came to us with this problem statement, and simply what our HR, our IT or the AI specialist team did is that they got a reasoning model. An open source reasoning model. In this case, we used, I think, Quen. So Quen is an open source reasoning model. We used that, and from with that reasoning model, we gave the JD and we gave the resumes to the AI model, and then asked for getting the match. So it did not only just match the skills, it also matched the context, right? For example, uh, the first two resumes have 90% and 80% score, but the above one has 90% due to some of the most more matching skills, plus the context of the resume that is giving more favorable to the resume itself. So that's how this AI tool works, and we used open source AI model for this. And yeah, that's a quick demonstration. Thank you for that, Ankit. And with this, I think we are, end of our demo. And if any of our viewers want to get any kind of solution like this, they can definitely reach out to Aeologic Technologies. We'll be able to help you out. Great. Thank you, Ankit. Let me get the screen back. All right. Moving on towards our webinar, Ankit. A common concern, does AI introduce bias or does it help it reduce it?
Great question, Jivin. So, AI reduce bias when it built properly. Doesn't get tired, first of all, and it does not take the emotional decisions as well. It evaluates the profiles based on their skills, not names or formatting, right? And the main part is that it scores consistently. So yes, if set up responsibility, AI reduces the hiring bias.
Great, great. One last question, which I always ask all our guests, right? Is AI going to replace recruiters?
No, never, never. So AI can automate the repetitive tasks. When it's sometimes conflicts. These things requires the empathy, and which AI cannot replicate us. So AI is completely different and human touch is completely different. So recruiters still will be doing the interviews. They will access the cultural fit of the candidate. They understand the career goal. Uh, the recruiter, the HR can negotiate the offers. They engage with the candidates whenever we have to keep warm these candidates, right? So AI cannot help us in that part. So
Right.
definitely AI never going to replace the HR. AI simply handle the heavy lifting.
Right, right. No, definitely, Ankit. The empathy that you mentioned, the negotiations that you mentioned, it is definitely that, only a human can do, and that is the human advantage, right? Even if the solutions like, voice calling and other that AI is evolving, I believe definitely human touch is going to stay above all the AI that the humans are creating, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Awesome. Great. So with this, I think
So we don't
we
know
are
the
coming.
future.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know the future. Maybe there's a lot of work the AI can do. But yes, let's see that how many challenges we are facing in future and how it's coming whole, right? So
Right,
based on
right, right.
that, the tools can be modified. They can be, be a good choice for every HR uh, to load down their pressure work.
Rightly said, Ankit. So, with this, I think we are coming to the end of our today's session. Thanks a lot, Ankit, and thank you everyone for joining us in today's webinar. So here's the key takeaway from our today's session. Recruitment isn't just about, filtering resumes. It's about finding the right talent quickly and accurately. AI does not replace HR, it augments HR. It gives hiring teams the ability to shortlist smarter, faster, and more fairly. And as always, Aeologic Technologies is committed to building intelligent systems and solve real problems across operations like HR, data, and automation. If your organization wants to explore AI-driven systems or automate resume screening for high resume roles, feel free to reach out. This is Jubin signing off. See you in our next AI Horizon session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Juven. Thank you, everyone.